Welcome to the stunning Highland Grove gated community nestled in the heart of Riverside, California. Today we have the pleasure of presenting a magnificent Pulte Homes model home tour that epitomizes luxury living. This exquisite residence boasts 5 spacious bedrooms, 4 elegant bathrooms, and a convenient 3-car garage, all complemented by a charming loft space. Step inside to discover an expansive open floor plan spanning approximately 3,520 square feet. Join us as we explore this exceptional home, adorned with optional builder upgrades, promising a lifestyle of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Step into the heart of social gatherings with the expansive great room, designed to elevate your hosting experience. Featuring a ceiling fan adorned with a stylish lighting fixture, this inviting space offers the perfect ambiance for relaxation and entertainment. Adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it seamlessly integrates convenience and comfort, creating a welcoming environment for both residents and guests alike. Indulge your culinary passions in the exquisite kitchen, adorned with stunning countertops and a captivating backsplash that elevate its aesthetic appeal. Equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances including a double oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, it ensures both functionality and style. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. The single basin sink not only provides a picturesque view of the great room, but also offers convenient access to the adjacent dishwasher. Enhancing both utility and charm, the center island provides a breakfast bar perfect for casual dining. Complemented by pendant lighting and plenty of storage below, catering to your every culinary need with flair. Conveniently situated near the garage, you'll find a spacious coat closet, offering a practical solution for stowing away jackets as you arrive home. This thoughtful feature ensures the outerwear remains neatly organized and easily accessible. The laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups, provides the ultimate convenience for your laundering needs. With the inclusion of a sink and cabinets both above and below, this space offers abundant storage for all your supplies, ensuring a clutter-free environment, making laundry day a breeze. There is direct access to the 3-car garage, however, it was locked during our home tour. The dining area is illuminated by natural light streaming through a sliding glass door, creating a bright and airy ambiance that enhances the dining experience, making every mealtime a delightful affair. The kitchen boasts a spacious walk-in pantry, offering ample storage solutions that are as practical as they are convenient, enhancing the functionality of this culinary haven. If you know someone who enjoys model house tours, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring new homes similar to this one, please contact me so we can schedule a tour together. The backyard presents a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to embrace Southern California's stunning weather to the fullest. Whether you're indulging in gardening, losing yourself in a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Located in the prestigious Highland Grove community, this residence epitomizes luxury living at its finest. With its unparalleled craftsmanship, modern amenities, and prime location, this home is more than just a dwelling. It's a testament to refined living. Experience the epitome of California living in this magnificent home. A place where elegance meets comfort, and every detail is crafted with your utmost satisfaction in mind. Welcome home to Highland Grove, where dreams become a reality. Discover tranquility in the exquisite owner suite, thoughtfully positioned on the first level for utmost convenience and privacy. Adorned with multiple windows that flood the space with natural light, complemented by recessed lighting and a stylish fixture, this retreat exudes warmth and sophistication. Enhanced by plush carpeting underfoot and offering serene views of the side and backyard, the owner suite promises a haven of comfort and relaxation. In the luxurious oasis of the ensuite primary bathroom, spaciousness and indulgence intertwine seamlessly. Boasting ample room to move and unwind, this sanctuary features a generously sized walk-in closet, offering abundant space to accommodate both winter and summer wardrobes with ease. Immerse yourself in the epitome of comfort and convenience, as this lavish retreat invites you to relax and rejuvenate in style. Additionally, the ensuite primary bathroom offers the convenience of a private water closet, complete with a toilet for added privacy. Adjacent to this space, luxuriate in the choice between a refreshing shower and a separate bathtub, ensuring a personalized bathing experience tailored to your preferences. Additionally, the owner suite boasts recessed lighting, providing a serene ambiance that complements its beauty. With the inclusion of cabinets and dual sinks, functionality meets elegance in this thoughtfully designed space. Experience the tranquility and luxury of this expansive retreat, offering a serene haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, I'd love to be honored to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know how I can support you in achieving your real estate needs. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please subscribe so you never miss out on any future videos. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. The Flex Room offers versatile potential, serving as a multifunctional space adaptable to your lifestyle preferences. Whether you envision it as a separate living room, a productive home office, a serene piano room, a lively game room, or any other purpose, the possibilities are endless, allowing you to tailor this area to your heart's desires. As you navigate the hallway, you'll encounter a convenient storage closet, providing extensive space for organizing everyday essentials. Additionally, beneath the stairs, an additional area awaits, offering even more storage options to keep your home tidy and organized. The guest bathroom offers a comprehensive array of amenities including cabinets, a sink, a mirror, a toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. This ensures both convenience and ease for your guests, creating a welcoming environment for their stay. The second bedroom on the main level boasts natural light streaming in through its windows, enhancing its inviting ambiance. Complete with a light fixture and a spacious closet, it is also carpeted, adding a cozy touch to the space. A linen closet is conveniently located in the hallway, providing storage space for towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a tidy and organized home. Isn't this home exquisite, and its size is truly remarkable? But wait, there's more to explore. Let's continue our journey and venture upstairs to discover even more of this captivating residence. Explore this expansive loft adorned with large windows that flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Enhanced by recessed lighting, this versatile area offers endless possibilities. Whether you seek a tranquil spot for relaxation, a focused space for studying, an entertaining game room, or the perfect venue for lively slumber parties. The third bedroom features a window that invites natural light to illuminate the space, enhancing its welcoming ambiance. Equipped with a lighting fixture adorned with a fan and complemented by recessed lighting. Additionally, it is carpeted, contributing to the room's inviting atmosphere. A Jack and Jill bathroom connects the third and fourth bedrooms, offering convenience and privacy for both spaces. The bathroom features a shared toilet and a bathtub with a shower, catering to the needs of occupants with efficiency and style. Each bedroom enjoys its own sink and mirror and cabinet, providing personalized grooming areas. Additionally, the third bedroom boasts a spacious walk-in closet, providing generous storage for clothing and personal items. This thoughtful feature enhances the functionality of the room, offering residents convenient access to their belongings while maximizing space and organization. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet perfect for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a neat and organized living space. This convenient storage solution enhances the practicality of the home, providing easy access to linens and additional items as needed. The fourth bedroom is illuminated by plenty of natural light streaming through its windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced by a lighting fixture, the room offers a comfortable ambiance, complemented by plush carpeting. Additionally, it includes a spacious walk-in closet, providing generous storage for clothing and personal belongings. The fourth bedroom conveniently connects to the Jack and Jill bathroom, offering shared access with its adjacent room. Within this arrangement, the room enjoys its own sink, mirror, and cabinets, providing personalized amenities for occupants. Additionally, the bathroom features a shared toilet and a bathtub with a shower, ensuring practicality and comfort for all users. If you know someone who enjoys model house tours, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring new homes similar to this one, please contact me so we can schedule a tour together. The fifth bedroom boasts windows that invite ample natural light, a lighting fixture illuminating the space, and recessed lighting adding to the ambiance. Additionally, it features plush carpeting for comfort and a closet for storage, ensuring it serves as a comfortable and versatile living area. A linen closet is conveniently situated in the hallway, providing storage space for towels, bedding, and other essentials. On the upper level, you'll find a well-appointed guest bathroom featuring a sink, cabinets, a mirror, toilet, and a bathtub with a shower, ensuring privacy and ease of use for occupants. This home is equipped with heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring comfort and climate control throughout the year. This home incorporates green features, including double pane, energy-efficient Lowy glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and recessed LED lighting, promoting energy efficiency and sustainability. In addition, the community is governed by a homeowners association, ensuring well-maintained amenities and shared spaces. Conveniently located near shopping centers and major freeways, residents enjoy easy access to everyday essentials and transportation routes. Wasn't this home lovely? If you enjoyed this home, you will love these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area and want to sell your house or buy your next home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Please also consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next 2 videos.